Hi, I'm Arthur Andreas, and here we have Inti Woman again with Turtle Breath. Inti Woman, can you explain why personality is such a limiting factor?
Sure. Personality has to do with the idea that we have of ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
And most people will exclude experiencing a lot of things by saying, well, this is the way I am, this is my personality, this is something that I identify with as something that I am. And in fact, that conversation they have with themselves and about themselves prevents them from experiencing and going into places where it would be beneficial for them. An example can be, well, if I think of myself, okay, then this is like the idea of myself, this is my personality, of myself as someone who is extremely educated, okay? Well, normally people who are extremely educated will find people who are simpler, not as interesting, okay? Now, that separation that the personality created is a limiting factor. Why? Because this one person, through the idea of themselves, that they have, will exclude themselves of the possibility of gaining access and contact and interaction with a different group that is not of its own, kind, of the kind that he thinks he belongs to. So it becomes a barrier. So any idea that you may have of yourself, of a personality type thing, is going to be something that is going to end up excluding you. Okay, it's something like of a box that actually will limit you. And there's, obviously a number of examples of this, but that will be one of them for sure.
Okay. And what can we do to limit this personality?
Well, personality works through identification. So you identify, okay, and you say, well, this is how I am. So you describe yourself to yourself.
Mm-hmm.
And once you do that, the minute you have described yourself to yourself, you have put a limit to yourself. So in order to make yourself more limitless and obviously more able to better flow and meet the reality as it is, because that's the thing, personality is always colliding with the reality. It is never in sync with it. You see what I'm saying? So if the reality at the moment demands that you become somebody fluid in a situation that demands you to dance, for example, and you believe, okay, and you have the idea of, oh, I'm not a dancer, well, you won't dance. You just limited yourself. Or whatever it may be the case, right?
Absolutely.
So that's how the personality becomes the limiting factor. And what we can do is to literally read the fine print and literally go deeper into where does this come from and understand it for what it really is. It's just a conversation. It's just a description that we're giving ourselves and that we're using against ourselves. So personality, for a meditator and for anyone who's trying to open themselves, is one of the things that we have to overcome. It is really an obstacle, if anything.
Great information. Well, there you have it. How to become limitless by decreasing your personality. Thank you for joining us at Turtle Breath.